Hi there. Welcome to Docentes Digitalis TV, the place where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential skills for every English learner, everyday conversations. Have you ever felt stuck trying to start a conversation in English? Or maybe you struggle to understand what native speakers are saying. Don't worry, we've all been there. The good news is that today, you'll learn how to sound more natural and confident in everyday situations. In this video, we'll walk you through simple, real-life conversations that you can start using right away. From ordering a coffee to chatting with a friend, you'll hear phrases, expressions, and natural responses that real people use every single day. Everyday conversations are the heart of language learning. Why? Because they happen everywhere, at work, at school, on the street, and even online. Mastering them will make you feel more connected and more confident when you're speaking English. You don't need to memorize long lists of vocabulary to do this. Instead, focus on learning common phrases and natural responses. For example, if someone says, "How's it going?" instead of just saying "fine," you can respond with something more natural like, "Pretty good, thanks." How about you? Small changes like this make a big difference. Another key tip? Listen actively. Pay attention to how native speakers respond in TV shows, movies, or even TikToks. You'll notice that conversations are filled with short, natural phrases like "sounds good," "no way," or "that makes sense." Learning these simple phrases will help you sound more fluent. So, how can you practice everyday conversations on your own? Here are 3 quick tips. First, repeat after real conversations. Watch clips of TV shows or movies and repeat what the characters say. Focus on tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Second, practice mini conversations. Write down a few example dialogues and practice them aloud. For example, practice ordering at a coffee shop, greeting a friend, or asking for directions. Third, use apps or chat with AI. Practice with language apps or AI chatbots to simulate real conversations. You'll get better at responding naturally. The more you practice, the more natural and fluent you'll sound. Don't aim for perfection. Instead, aim for progress. If you found this video helpful, we'd love your support. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitalis TV for more practical lessons just like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to improve your English and become more confident in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.